Hello everyone! Today we're taking a close look at the Pipishell Full Motion TV wall mount bracket. As always, our aim is to provide an objective and unbiased review to help you make an informed decision. Firstly, let's discuss the design and build of the Pipishell TV wall mount bracket. In terms of durability, the wall mount is constructed with sturdy materials to support your TV or monitor securely. The build quality ensures stability, contributing to a safe and reliable mounting. It supports up to 44 pounds and has a full range of motion, while the articulating arms offer a full range of motion, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle. Whether it's tilting for reduced glare or swiveling for optimal positioning, this wall mount provides flexibility to enhance your viewing experience. Compatibility is a strong point for this wall mount as it works with a variety of wall types. It's designed for most 13 to 42-inch LED, LCD, flat and curved screen TVs and monitors, making it versatile for various setups. Just make sure to check your TVs and monitors' VESA pattern and wait to ensure proper compatibility. The installation process is straightforward, with clear instructions provided by Pipishell. The included hardware kit makes it convenient to set up, and the wall mount is compatible with a variety of wall types. However, it's crucial to ensure that the wall and TV are compatible with the mount specifications. That concludes our review of the Pipishell Full Motion TV wall mount bracket. If you've used this product, share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech content.